apricot chicken feels like maybe a step up.
Oh, I'm gonna dazzle you.
And I found an apricot coloured pan.
He's colourblind, isn't he? Poor fella. I've got to know. What are your thoughts on it?
How often do you get asked what's for dinner?
482 times a year.
And what's your go-to answer?
Apricot chicken, of course, Curtis.
Oh, okay. Well, come on then, let's see it, Mel Buttle.
Hello, Curtis
Nice to
Stone.
see you.
Here he is.
Come on in, come on in.
Oh, you're
Welcome
so
to my
tall.
kitchen.
Thank you for having me. You could drink maybe 2 to 6 glasses of wine while you knock this off. I wanted to make you apricot chicken, Curtis, just to see if I could get away with it mostly.
When I invited you over, I was like, maybe we'll have roast chook and salad.
He's good.
The apricot chicken feels like maybe a step up.
Oh, I am trying to impress. I'm going to dazzle you. All right, let's start, Curtis.
Let's do it.
First of all, you've got to yell at your kids. Oi, I'm cooking dinner. Do not come in here, it's hot.
Quiet down there.
Now, Curtis, can I give you a job?
Yes.
Could you maybe peel the carrot for me and just give me a really fine dice on that?
Fine dice, you got it.
The kind of fine dice that you want to hide food from a toddler so they will never know there's carrot in there.
You are speaking my language. I've got one kid, he eats anything. And I've got another one who is so picky. If it's not fried or white, he wants nothing to do with it.
I'm peeling the green off the zucchini for that exact purpose. If my big boy spots a tiny fleck of green, that's it, dinner's over.
Oh, so you literally take the green off?
I take the green off, as we
That's
call
hilarious.
it. Just gonna chop up some vegetables in front of Curtis.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you, mate.
Do you cook often?
I do. I actually love cooking. My favourite thing is when the kids are in bed, house is dark and silent. I just pop on an old ep of Surfing the Menu and and I make the next night's dinner that night if I'm on my game. Yeah.
That's organised.
In absolute peace and quiet. With
How old are your kids? You got 2, right?
I got 2. The big one's 3 and the little one's 5 months.
Oh man, you're still in it.
I'm in the thick of it.
Yeah.
And they're both outside in the car, so we've got to hurry up if you can, please, on that carrot, thanks.
Do people expect you to be funny? Like,
Yeah.
for me, I've got to cook dinner wherever I go.
Do you?
Do you feel like you've got to be on?
I do, and then I think they get a bit disappointed when they meet the real me, and all I want to talk about is whatever my interest is at that point, which could be the Formula One, it could be cooking. Gosh, I'm getting into swimming at the moment. Like, you know, you sort of see their face drop when you just talk about your real life. Like, oh, yeah, and then they walk away. Yeah, because it's exhausting, Curtis, isn't it? Being
It is.
on.
Yeah.
I just want to cook in the dark sometimes, you know?
I don't know about the dark. The dark scares me a little bit.
I don't know how to explain it in your fancy kitchen, but when you just have that light on,
Yep.
ding, all the other kitchen lights are off. I just pop that on and I cook next to that, and it's like, it gives me a good focus. It makes me feel really nice and calm. You can do the onions a bit bigger if you want. You know what? I'm not gonna stomp on your creativity.
No, I'm here to serve. If the apricot chicken's terrible,
I can say,
I'm just going to say it's yours and I just was along for the ride.
I'm gonna also add some garlic. How do you as a chef get into that when it's
So,
a whole head?
and squash it down. A knife over the top.
Yeah.
Just-
But when you did it, I noticed it didn't split in half and fly on the floor. Is that? Yeah, but I've heard on Instagram the way you cut garlic changes the flavour intensity of it.
No, that's not true.
That's not true. Like, it doesn't get stronger when it's smaller? That's a lie?
Well, it does. If the smaller it is, the more flavour will come out of the garlic. Yeah, that's true.
Right.
I thought you meant the direction that you cut it in.
No, left to right. Curtis, do you have a lot of experience? No, I won't tell. I was going to be very cheeky and say, do you have a lot of experience with breasts? But that would be so silly to say that.
I mean, I'm a butcher.
You are a butcher.
So I understand anatomy like you wouldn't believe.
Great. Well, those are from a chicken, these
Yes.
ones, so they're a bit different to what you're used to. All right, bang, gotcha. Okay.
You can yell at me if I'm doing it wrong.
You're doing very well.
How are we doing here?
This step is a bit controversial. People on Instagram have said to me, I can't believe you flour the chicken, it's going to make the sauce gluggy.
I'm not sure how thin this is. It feels more juice-like.
It is, yes.
So then you probably do want a bit of body to it, right?
Take that. Correct.
Yeah.
I thought so, yeah. It's weird that I was right. It's weird. And I'm going to make you do it because I don't want to get dirty. Can you chuck a bit of paprika, a bit of curry powder? I'll do some salt and pepper just to show you that I know how to use one of these.
You tell me if I'm doing enough or is it enough?
Whoa, that's enough. Jeez Louise.
And then you just toss this lightly or
Just lightly. I just chuck it all in the bowl and then
do?
mix it up. It's a lot easier to do if you've got your own personal Michelin-starred chef in your kitchen at home. But if you don't, You can do this bit yourself.
When I knew you were coming with this particular recipe, look at what I found. I went digging in my cupboard and I found an apricot coloured pan. Well, it's yellow, but let's just pretend it's apricot.
He's colourblind, isn't he? Poor fella, it's yellow. What a beautiful pan.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, that is so kind of you to let me take that home with me. When I first said I'm going to cook apricot chicken, you were a little bit, wow. Is that because it's sort of too high end and you're not familiar with the variety of steps that it takes, or
Yeah.
What's concerning you about it, Curtis?
If you think about all that 70s food,
Yeah.
a lot of it was bad. And I was just a bit like, apricot chicken, how do you make that good? But I like your little adaptations. I'm still on the fence, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, all right.
I'm curious.
Yeah. Oh, it's good that you're apricot chicken curious.
All right, so you want that little bit of fond, that little bit of
Yes.
caramelised, floury goodness. How about this? A wooden spoon that we took the angle grinder to, so you can scrape all the stuff off the bottom.
It's not just a pretty face. That's very good.
It's already got an apricot colour and it hasn't even seen an apricot yet.
See, we're building those layers and those flavours.
In she goes.
In she goes.
I bet you get lots of material from your kids though, from being a mum.
I do. But my fear, Curtis, is the stuff I say now, it goes on the internet.
Right.
Like one day they'll be like, boop, 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 boop. You said Harry's your favourite, because he is. In with our veggies, please.
You got
Thank you, Curtis.
Love that move.
All green hidden. What I do at this point, Curtis, which I learnt from cooking shows, is I just add a little bit more seasoning.
Oh, okay.
Just season those vegetables, just a tiny bit. I know we can't take it out. I just do a little bit.
It's perfectly imperfect. God, I can't even speak.
Well,
It's perfectly imperfect.
You've had a big day. You've had a big day. Right. This is where I get bored. This is where I'm like, well, I've been standing here stirring these veggies, like, let's go. Can you just go, I'll just chuck the chicken in and move on?
Well, we're going to edit this, so no one will even know.
No one will know.
They'll just think that it happened really quickly.
Oh, that it instantly got delicious and caramelised and yeah.
So then what happens next? The stock goes in or the chicken goes back?
I would pop, at this point, let me think. Next steps. Gosh, I'm under pressure here, chef.
Did you just get this recipe out of the Woman's Weekly or is it really yours?
This is one of my own creations. How dare you? No, I'm nervous because I'm cooking without any Chardonnay in my system. No, this goes back into the pan, but you have to mix this soup mix and the apricot nectar together in a bowl.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
If you could, chef. Thank you, chef.
The whole packet?
Oh, yeah. Maximum flavour, please.
Never done this before.
Oh, Curtis, look at that.
Hallelujah.
I do give the bottom a little scrape.
Yep, nice.
To what's it called?
Deglaze.
I call it scraping the bottom off, but yep, deglaze. Yes, that's right. I feel like we need just a splash of chicken stock, please. Boop, boop, boop.
More?
One more splash. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's going to add some nice flavour as well. Now,
it's rather attractive.
it's a beautiful apricot coloured dish. I just turn it down to probably a medium-low flame. I put the lid on and then I go and see what my toddler's done. What's he drawn on? What's missing?
Well, they're not here, so should we go and have a glass of Chardonnay?
Oh, yes, please.
Come on.
I don't know how many times I have to hint. Seconds away from Curtis Stone loving my apricot chicken.
How long does that take, start to finish?
Look, how long's a glass of wine? 35 minutes, maybe?
That's quick.
Maybe 30 to 35. It depends how slow you are at your chopping.
Okay, you ready?
Right, let's have a look.
Hiya.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
And I noticed you got a little parsley there. Do you finish it with a little parsley?
When I'm trying to impress Curtis Stone, I do, yes.
But not in front of the kids.
I would not dare put that on a toddler's bowl. Thank you. Oh, look at him go. That was good. It's a very good one.
It has a beautiful smell.
You know, it's a family inviting meal. Plonk that on the table and go, get here. How many times do I have to ask? One. And they'll come up eventually. Now, Curtis. I've got to know. What are your thoughts on it?
It's really good. It's really, really good.
Thank you. That's my new Instagram bio. It's really good. It's really, really good. Curtis Stone.
And if you're wondering what's for dinner, well, go to coles.com.au because we've got lots of ideas for you.
Cheers. You've nailed that,
Well
Curtis.
done.
Thank you. Onions are chopped up a bit poorly, but apart from that.
Everything else is spot on.